It's 2026, and AI has never been more powerful or more overwhelming. New tools launch daily, all claiming to transform your workflow. So, where should you invest your time and money? Three giants dominate: ChatGPT, Claude, and Google's Gemini. Right now, three undisputed heavyweights rule the space: OpenAI's ChatGPT, Anthropic's Claude, and Google's Gemini. ChatGPT Plus, $20. Claude Pro, $20. Google AI Pro, $19.99. Same price, three completely different products. So I went to fact-check the benchmarks everyone quotes when they compare these, including the ones I was about to put in this video, and about half of them fell apart. One is a hallucination stat from a company that sells hallucination protection. Here's what's actually true, and which $20 is yours. Before we look at features, we have to talk about the gas tank problem. Your $20 subscription buys you a certain amount of computational fuel every month, but a highly complex premium model burns through that fuel way faster than a lightweight one. To understand why your subscription limits trigger early on some platforms but not others, we have to look at what developers are paying behind the scenes per million tokens. Look at those margins. Anthropic's flagship Claude Fable 5 is clearly the heavy-duty luxury vehicle here, costing a whopping $50 for output tokens. OpenAI's GPT 5.5 is significantly more accessible, while Google offers an incredible budget-friendly runway. These back-end economics dictate exactly how much heavy lifting your chatbot can do before it tells you to take a break. You hire a fixer before you know what the job is. That's ChatGPT. It's your creative utility belt. Need a quick DALL-E image? Done. Want to prototype a concept video with Sora? It's right there. It features an advanced voice mode that genuinely feels like a real-time phone call, alongside an autonomous computer use feature that can actually navigate your screen, moving your cursor to handle repetitive tasks on your behalf. None of it is the single most refined standalone tool on Earth, but it's all consolidated into one tab at midnight when you just need to get things moving. The catch? The writing style is notoriously sterile out of the box. It has that classic robotic AI texture, and polishing it into something natural takes a lot of active, heavy prompting. An editor's entire value is what they refuse to write. Claude is built for the deep, complex, analytical heavy lifting. It approaches tasks with an organic, thoughtful tone that handles intricate formatting requests without pushing back. If you are managing enormous datasets, its massive 1 million token context window means you can drop an entire software codebase or a stack of dense PDFs into the prompt, and it won't forget a single detail. But there are two massive trade-offs here. First, it completely lacks native multimedia generation. No voice engine, no image creation, and no video tools. Second, because its backend model executes such computationally heavy processing for every response, it burns through your hourly subscription quota much faster than the others. Carefulness is expensive. And then there's the coworker who already has access to everything. Gemini's true superpower isn't the chatbot interface, it's native access. It lives directly inside your Gmail inbox, Google Docs, Sheets, and Drive. It features an automated deep research engine that can scour hundreds of web sources at once, automatically filtering out background noise to hand you an organized, multi-page report, complete with real citations. You also get robust media tools, including Imagen for graphic design and Veo for video generation. The downside is that the moment you pull it out of the Google Workspace environment, its edge disappears. As a standalone web companion, it feels significantly less focused and less sharp than its two rivals. And if you're building on the API rather than paying $20 a month, the gap gets stark. The flagship models run several times the price of the fast ones, and Google's cheap tier is genuinely cheap. Check the current numbers before you quote them. Every one of these changed in the last 90 days. So, who do you hire? If your work has no fixed shape, you're drafting, making images, thinking out loud, building something, hire the fixer, ChatGPT. If being wrong is expensive, Your writing, researching, shipping code, and a confident false statement cost you a client, a grade, or a production incident? Hire the editor, Claude. Not because it knows more, because it guesses less. If your work already lives in Google, hire the colleague with keys, Gemini. The integration is worth more than the benchmark, and it isn't close. And the honest answer nobody puts in a title? There is no best model. There's a best model for the 12 hours a week you actually spend working. Pay for one. Keep the other two open in a tab. The free tiers are good enough to check the first one's work. The ultimate reality of AI in 2026 is that there is no single best model. There's only the best model for your specific workflow. In fact, the smartest strategy right now might be paying for your one primary powerhouse and keeping the generous free tiers of the other two right in your back pocket. Here's what I actually want to know. Which one are you currently paying for? And is it the one this video says you should be? Drop it in the comments. I read them. And the split on this is going to be more interesting than my opinion. If you found today's breakdown useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below for more practical AI guides every week. Knowing which AI to use is just step one. To make the best use of AI for your specific work, you need guidance directly from experts. That's where Great Learning's AI Native Professional Program comes in. It's a live 6-week interactive course where expert mentors give you tailored guidance to master these tools and build custom automations without needing to write a single line of code. You get the exact blueprints to automate your routine tasks so you can reclaim 10+ hours a week. The link is down in the description, so definitely check it out. See you in the next one.